You look in the mirror one morning and notice those dark spots and fine lines that weren't there before. You're wondering, can I actually reverse this sun damage, or am I stuck with it forever? Here's the truth about what's happening to your skin. UV rays break down collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and smooth. They also trigger excess melanin production, creating those stubborn dark spots and uneven skin tone. But here's the good news. You absolutely can reverse much of this damage. Start with a retinoid at night to boost cell turnover and rebuild collagen. Add vitamin C serum in the morning for antioxidant protection and brightening. For deeper damage, consider professional treatments like chemical peels or laser therapy. The key is consistency and patience. You'll start seeing improvements in 6 to 12 weeks, with continued progress over months. Remember, prevention is just as important as treatment. Never skip that SPF 30 or higher, even on cloudy days. If this helped you understand sun damage better, hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare science. Drop a comment with any skincare topic you'd like me to cover next.